Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing yet again another unboxing. We are going to be looking at the GQ Winter 2023 subscription box today. And you guys, do I have a sale and a deal for you? I'm so excited. So this is a quarterly subscription box. It is designed for men, but I will tell you that several of the items in here are items that I also love. So it's definitely a box that I feel like I can share with my husband. Like, he gets half of it and then I take half of it. So it works out really well for both of us. Like, if there was ever a couples box, this would probably it. So we're gonna go ahead and look at our winter subscription box. And like I said, I do have a deal for you guys as well. So let's go ahead and get started and see what's inside. So if you guys have never seen the GQ subscription box, this is a quarterly box. Right now I will be unboxing the Winter 2023 version. This box is currently shipping right now, so if you order, this is the exact same box that you will receive. Now what's great is there is an exclusive sale going on that if you guys purchase using my link and my code that are all listed down below, you can actually get this box for only $39. Now GQ does a lot of sales with their boxes, so I would never pay for this box full price as a new member just because they always have sales and deals going on. And if you don't see one, just wait because it will be there soon. But they had this box on sale for half off over Black Friday weekend. So that was a steal because I think it was $29 for this entire box. Right now it's on sale for $39 if you use my link and code, which are down below in the video description box. But this code could change, this sale could change. So if it does, I will be updating and posting all of that down below in that box. That way, in case if it's something better than what I currently have, I will have you guys updated with it. I still feel like $39 is a really great deal for this box and the amount of items you get. Plus, you're also going to get a free bonus item as a new member as well. So you get the discount, you get the new member gift, plus you get a really great box. It's just a win-win all the way around. So inside of the box, we do have a magazine in here, and it will give us a sneak peek of all of the items. And then inside, these are all of your items. Do you see how many there are? Like, it's full. Woo, she is packed. I mean, he is packed. This is a manly box, right? But look at this. There's a lot of items in here for $39. First item that we're gonna look at is the new member gift that they have right now for the winter box. So this is going to be a wireless speaker, and it is called the Studio S3 speaker. It is a small portable one, so you're able to take it with you anywhere on the go. You recharge this with the cord inside, and it's also going to be water resistant. So if you even have this out in the rain or you're by the pool, as long as it's not like shoved clear down in the pool, it's going to be fine with water. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. This is your actual speaker here. It even has a subwoofer built into this, so this will move with the music as well. It's kind of awesome. And then they do have a handle over here on this end. You are able to charge it here for that battery. You have all of your playback buttons up here at the top, so you can just press to play. You can go forward or backwards to skip tracks as well. I mean, it's a little handy, cute little speaker that does a really great job. And it's free right now. Next item that we have is from Avant Skincare, and this is their daytime moisturizer. So it's a Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream. Full-size product. It's also cruelty-free and PETA certified. Now this product, if you guys know the Avant Skincare lineup, they're expensive. I feel like their products are overpriced. I do think they're good items. I just don't ever think they're worth what they say they are. So if you were going to buy it on their website, it retails for $117 for this moisturizer. I don't think it's worth $117, but I do think it's a good moisturizer to have in this box at $39. We also have some socks in our box this season. These are fitness socks, and they are a men's one-size-fits-all sock. So I'll go ahead and open up this plastic wrap, but it is sealed and brand new once you guys receive it. These are Tech Fit socks with a lifetime guarantee and light padding is what it says. So these are going to be ankle socks, and it says there's a smooth toe seam. There's targeted padding that reduces impact and pressure. It's engineered to breathe with the mesh that they have on top. And it says it's also going to have an optimal fit for ultimate performance. They do feel like they have lots of extra, they do! Like there's more padding in the heel and up here at the ball of your foot than there is in the rest of the sock. So these areas have a lot of squishy padding. It's noticeably different. It just feels like it's lined with some more padding is all, but that's cool. Our next item is from Anthony, and this is an invigorating Rush hair and body wash. This will have a scent of eucalyptus in it and balsam tree. Ooh. So I like that this is going to be a winter scent. It may be full size, but I don't know. It seems small for this. It says it's $18 for this exact bottle. And it says that it's a 2-in-1 hair and body wash, and it's going to give you a peace of mind scent. They're all cruelty-free, they're dermatology tested, and it says there's no garbage chemicals like parabens in their products. I also have an antioxidant treatment serum in the box. Now this is from a brand that I don't think I'm going to be able to pronounce. Chanen? Maybe? So this is what our serum will look like here. Full of antioxidants. It is really runny for this serum. Sometimes they're a little bit thicker than this, but this one is really runny. It's 50 ml or 1.69 ounces. So this serum is designed to give you deep hydration, and it says that it's also going to smooth your skin and give you more of a dewy look. Next item inside of the box is going to be from Trumi. This is mushroom powered gummies, right? It doesn't even look, normally gummies come in like a jar. Let me look at this here. Oh, they're packets, that's why. So we get 2 packets inside of this box, and they each have 2 gummies inside of them. That's it? We only get 4 gummies? I don't know, this seems stingy. There's only 4. So this one is a Boost gummy, and it's lemon lime flavored. And then the other one is going to be the Focus gummies. And these feature passion fruit and tangerine and lion's mane in them. Okay, so we do have a couple of gummies here. I'm not sure, I'm guessing, oh, this is the free item. Okay, this is totally fine. So this is a sponsored company, and they basically put their item in this box. They paid for that. So they are sponsoring the box this season. Everyone's going to get to try these gummies out. So it is just a sample amount. So if you are going to purchase these, they do come in a bottle. There is more in there, and they're going to be $34.99 per bottle. They're giving you their top 2 sellers. These are going to help to reduce brain fog, support brain health. The Boost is going to help to support natural energy and improve fitness performance then. So this is totally fine. I'm fine when it's a free bonus item in the box. This is great. Next item that we have in here are going to be the Peace Out Acne Healing Dots. There are 2 sheets in here for a total of 20 dots. Now these are going to be little stickers that you can actually place right over top of a zit, and it will help to clear it up faster. They are clear, so it's great because it also will kind of hide them a little bit as well. They work really well, in my opinion, overnight. That way you can just peel it off in the morning, and the zit should be visibly smaller than it was before. Next up, we have a Weekender bag. So this is very large, but they consider it to be the small bag. So this company makes larger bags than this for their Weekenders, but I honestly think it's a good size. So it is an all black bag because, again, it's kind of a manlier box, so they're giving you more manly colors. But this is from a company called Reigns, and this is the hero item of the box. Now, if you guys were going to purchase this on their website, it retails for $95 for this exact size bag. This is called the Reigns Hilo Weekend Bag, and it says that this is a mighty bag that's protected by a signature waterproof fabric. Compression will also help to keep everything compact and tidy. There's beefy handles and a detachable shoulder strap as well. So you do have a couple of snaps here that you can take apart, and you definitely can tell that this is waterproof because The material is not like a soft plushy fabric. It's very slick. I can feel it immediately. It almost feels like rubber, like you're touching rubber rain boots. It does have brand new tags on here, and then inside you're gonna have room for all of your items. You've also got that shoulder strap that they were talking about as well if you want to use it. You do have quite a bit of space in here. I mean, I'm telling you, this is so much larger than what I thought it was going to be. When I looked at it online, I was like, oh, a small bag, okay. I guess I was thinking cosmetic size. So this is much larger than what I envisioned. And now we're up to our final item, which I gotta tell you guys, it feels like I've been unboxing forever. Like, there's a lot of items in this box. So my next one that I have in here is from Oxford Hill, and it says clean, natural, and minimal on our little drawstring bag. So inside I've got something. I'm not sure what this is. Is this a mask maybe? So it's a clay. Okay, it's a 5-ingredient clay. This is what the little pot will look like. And then here's your clay down below. It says that this is going to have no synthetics or preservatives, and it's going to be a soft clay product during warmer months. Because of the natural ingredients, in cooler months, it could become harder. We recommend storing this in room temperature. That way it will actually be pliable and you can move this around. But this is supposed to be a hair product that will hold your hair with its shape for 48 hours. It says you should be able to put this on and it will add thickness and volume, but without any grease. This jar should last you about 1 month. Very little is what you need. So it doesn't take much. They're stating this will last you an entire month of using it, so 30 times. I'm telling you, you must not need hardly anything of this. I'm just a little surprised if it will last 30 times, but maybe it will. What do I know? So that is everything inside of the winter GQ subscription box. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of all of these items. We had a total of 8 items in this box, but if you are a new member, you will get a 9th item absolutely free with the mini speaker. Honestly, I think this is a perfect guys box. But I do think for $39 in free shipping, you get a lot in here in terms of gift ideas as well. I mean, you could break this up into several gifts, but at that price point, that's super affordable. So until next time, you guys, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!